SQL isn't just for reading data, it's for changing it too. That's where CRUD comes in. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. The four basic things we do with data. Today we'll focus on C, U, and D. To add data, we use insert into. You list the tables, the columns, and the values to insert. Need to change a value? Use update. Be careful, always include a where clause so you don't change every row. To delete a row, it's delete from. Again, don't forget where, or you might wipe the entire table. Think of a to do app. Add a task, that's insert. Edit the name, that's update. Delete it when it's done. You guessed it, delete. With just these three commands, you can build anything social apps, to do list, even a full e commerce website.